Hey there, health warriors! Before we dive into the delicious world of nutrition, I want to remind you to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health tips. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we have in store for you. Now, let's get into it. Imagine this. You wake up feeling fresh, energized, and ready to conquer the day. What if I told you that the secret to that vibrant existence lies in the foods you eat? Yes, the right nutrition can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Today, I'm going to take you through the top 10 healthy foods you absolutely must incorporate into your diet. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's get hungry for knowledge. Let's kick things off with the powerhouse of nutrition: leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are not just trendy salad ingredients. They are nutritional gold mines. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants, these greens help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Plus, they're low in calories, making them perfect for weight management. Just imagine tossing a handful of fresh spinach into your morning smoothie or sautéing kale with garlic for a quick and nutritious side dish. The possibilities are endless, and your body will thank you. Next up, we have berries. Yes, those tiny, vibrant fruits are more than just a tasty treat. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are bursting with antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. They're also high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Picture this: a bowl of mixed berries drizzled with a touch of honey or blended into a refreshing smoothie. Doesn't that sound delightful? Incorporating berries into your meals can elevate your health game to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are not only great snacks, but also packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. They can help lower cholesterol, improve brain function, and support heart health. Imagine adding a sprinkle of chia seeds to your yogurt, or tossing a handful of walnuts into your salad. These tiny powerhouses can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. Moving on to our next superfood, quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's gluten-free, rich in fiber, and loaded with vitamins and minerals. Quinoa is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a base for salads, stir-fries, or even breakfast bowls. Just think about how satisfying it would be to enjoy a warm quinoa bowl topped with roasted vegetables and a drizzle of tahini. It's a game changer, trust me. Now, let's not forget about sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers are not only visually appealing, but also packed with nutrients. They're high in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body, supporting eye health and immune function. Sweet potatoes are also a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy throughout the day. How about roasting some sweet potato wedges, seasoned with your favorite spices? It's a simple yet delicious way to enjoy this nutritious food. Next on our list is fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. Omega-3s have been linked to reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Imagine enjoying a perfectly grilled salmon fillet, drizzled with lemon and paired with a side of steamed vegetables. It's not just a meal, it's a feast for your body. Now, let's talk about legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are fantastic sources of plant-based protein and fiber. They help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full for longer. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, soups, or even make delicious veggie burgers. Picture a hearty lentil soup simmering on the stove, filling your home with warmth and comfort. It's the perfect way to nourish your body and soul. Another must-have in your pantry is Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is packed with protein, probiotics, and calcium. It's great for gut health and can help support your immune system. Use it as a base for smoothies, a topping for your favorite dishes, or simply enjoy it with a drizzle of honey and fresh fruit. Just imagine the creamy texture melting in your mouth as you savor each spoonful. It's not just healthy, It's downright delicious. Next, we have avocados. These creamy green fruits are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. They're also high in fiber and packed with vitamins and minerals. Whether you're spreading avocado on toast, adding it to salads, or blending it into smoothies, avocados can elevate any meal. Just think about that rich, buttery taste and how it enhances your favorite dishes. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrition. Finally, let's wrap up our list with dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can be a part of a healthy diet. It's rich in antioxidants and has been linked to improved heart health and brain function. Imagine indulging in a piece of high-quality dark chocolate after a meal, savoring the rich flavors while knowing you're treating your body right. It's the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. So there you have it, the top 10 healthy foods you must eat to transform your health and well-being. Each of these foods offers unique benefits that can help you reclaim control over your lifestyle. Remember, it's not just about what you eat. It's about creating a balanced and nourishing relationship with food. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and inspiration. Let's embark on this journey to radiant health and lasting beauty together. Your body deserves it.